In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect ClickUp with Figma step by step. If you're working with design and project management teams, this integration can save you a ton of time by keeping everything connected in one place. You'll be able to attach Figma files directly to ClickUp tasks, preview designs, and keep feedback organized without jumping between tools. This is perfect for designers, product managers, and anyone collaborating on UI or UX projects. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button if you find this helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signed in to the workspace where you want to connect Figma. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main ClickUp dashboard, where you can see your spaces, folders, and tasks. Next, look at the left-hand panel inside ClickUp. Scroll down until you see the option labeled More. Click on More to expand additional settings and tools that aren't shown by default. This is where ClickUp keeps integrations and advanced features. After clicking on More, find and click on Apps. This will open the ClickUp Apps and Integrations page, where you can connect ClickUp with other tools like Slack, GitHub, Google Drive, and of course, Figma. The Apps section is essentially ClickUp's integration hub. Once you're on the Apps page, scroll or use the search bar to find Figma. When you see Figma in the list of available apps, click on it to open the integration details. Here, ClickUp will show you what the Figma integration does and how it works with your tasks. Now, click on the Connect button. This will start the authorization process. ClickUp will prompt you to sign in to your Figma account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're using the correct Figma account that has access to the design files you want to link with ClickUp. Follow the on-screen prompts and approve the connection. This allows ClickUp to access your Figma files, so you can attach them to tasks and preview designs directly inside ClickUp. Once the connection is successful, the integration will be active automatically. After connecting, you can start using Figma inside ClickUp right away. Open any task, paste a Figma file link into the task description or comments, and ClickUp will automatically generate a live preview. This makes it easy for team members to view designs, leave feedback, and track progress without leaving ClickUp. And that's it. You've successfully connected ClickUp with Figma. This simple integration can seriously improve collaboration and keep your projects moving faster. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.